Hey YouTube, today I am going to show you how to sawmill train. Requirements is 80 wood cutting. Alright, where it's located? Wait for that to load. Alright, you see Varrock? You see Sawmill. You go up the small path there, and you're right there. Okay, so what you do is you go to the door on the east, go through the other door. If you don't have a saw, there's a saw crate there. And you can take job quick or large. Large gives you more XP, and quick doesn't give you as much. So I'm just going to do quick for the video. And that thing would pop up and it'll tell you what you need. So first you're going to take logs, many. It will pop up fairly fast in your inventory. I'll show you what your inventory should look like after you finish picking up all your logs. Alright, this is what your inventory should look like. Crystal saw gives you double the XP, and just the logs into your inventory. So what you're going to do next is you're going to load logs into the hopper. And they should come out. Alright. So, yeah. I'll begin recording when. Yeah. And as you can see, they will pop up over there. Alright. So then you go take planks. And the planks should start popping up in your inventory quicker than the logs you pick up. Alright, and then you go cut planks on workbench. And I need 10 of those, so the straight cut gives you all, and it gives you 1 time short plank, 1 times long plank, and as you can see, they pop up. If you mess up, only 1 will pop up in each, as you can see. Okay, so the first one, short planks and long planks are easiest. Slanted planks gives you 2 per plank, and they're medium. Tooth cut is the hardest, and circular cut is just hard. So yeah, alright, so here it is when I'm done, a box. And if you cut too many, it's okay. So what you do is you go finish job at overseer. Oh, this guy wants to say something. So what you're going to do is you're going to finish job with her, and quick jobs will give you 5k experience, and long jobs will give you 9k. So yeah, that's how we do it.